Today in this tutorial, I will show you that how you can jam someone's Wi-Fi network by using Kali Linux and one wireless Wi-Fi adapter. And I am using the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter here, and I will start the Kali Linux here. Then after, I will open the terminal. Then I will type the command sudo su to get root user permission. I got here. Then after, I will type the command airodump-ng to check all the wireless extension that is present here. Now ETS0 and LO is present, but we need WLAN0 to be present here because that is of the Wi-Fi network and the same we are going to attack. For that, I will insert the Wi-Fi adapter. So it has been started, and again I will type the same command iwconfig to check it out. Now you can see here guys, WLAN0 is present now. That has been appeared, means it is connected and mode equals to managed. Okay, mode equals to managed, that means it is now connected successfully in our device. And then after, I will type the command airmon-ng start WLAN0. Okay, I will type WLAN0 because now our interface is WLAN0. Okay, so I will type here to start the Wi-Fi network, to make it in the mode equals to monitor mode. Okay, that it will be workable. So it has been started. You can see monitor mode be enabled. It means the monitor mode is enabled. Again I will type the iwconfig, and I will show you here mode equals to monitor, and our interface is now WLAN0 M1. So whenever we need to use the WLAN0, instead that we need to use the WLAN0 M1 because it is currently changed, and our new interface is WLAN0 M1. Okay, so it has been started, and I will type the command airmon-ng check kill to kill all the process that is running in the background, which may cause a problem in our attack process. So it has been killed now, so I will clear it. Then after, I will type the command airodump-ng start WLAN0 M1. That is our interface, and this command will scan all the Wi-Fi network that is available in this area. So now it is scanning now, and this is the bssid, that means the Wi-Fi network that is available there, and the extension means all the clients that are connected to the bssid. So simply you can see this client is connected in this Wi-Fi, this client is connected in this Wi-Fi. Okay, in this process you need to copy, or you need to remember the bssid of the Wi-Fi network in which you want to jam it. So in my case, anonymous is my Wi-Fi that I wanna jam it, and for that I will remember the bssid and the channel. Okay, the channel is 3 and this is the bssid. So I will stop this process and I will copy the bssid by pressing ctrl+c in the Kali Linux, and our channel is 3, and again I will start it and I will leave it, and then after I will press ctrl+c to open the new tab, and I will type sudo su to get root user permission in this tab. It's done, and then after I will type the command airodump-ng then bssid, and this is our Wi-Fi network bssid, and our channel is 3, and our WLAN0 M1 is our wireless interface. So I will press enter here, so it will select only one network whom we are going to jam it. So anonymous is one network whom I'm going to jam here. Okay, it's done here, and you can see all the two clients are connected in this SSID. Okay, leave it. When ctrl+c new tab opening, then after sudo su to get root user permission. It's done. Then again I will type the command aireplay-ng then bssid of the Wi-Fi network, then -0 space 0 space WLAN0 M1, that is our wireless interface, and -0 means we are going to send the deauthentication packet to the router unlimited, in which there is no limitation until we will not stop the process of jamming the Wi-Fi, means to sending the authentication packet to the router. It will not stop, it will run automatically. Okay, it's done, and I will hit enter. So see, so if in this case it is not working, then visit to the back tab and stop that process, and then after start that process. Again visit to the back tab and stop this process, and then start the whole process. Okay, and again came in this tab and type the command, same command, and hit enter. And you can see here guys, sending the auth code to broadcast bssid this. So now it is sending the authentication packet to this router.
And you can see my mobile phone at the right side, and you may observe here the anonymous named Wi-Fi is being connecting and disconnecting respectively. It is because the Linux is sending the deauthentication packet to the router.
So guys, now it will be sending the authentication packet until we will stop when using 0. So now it's done. We have done the practical video, use it only for the educational purpose, and now I will stop this process and I will clear it. We need to stop our wireless network. For that I will type the command airmon-ng stop WLAN 0 MON, that is our wireless interface now. So guys, you can see here monitor mode disabled here, and our interface is the same one, it doesn't matter, but our monitor mode has been disabled here. Again I will type the command iwconfig to check it out. Again you can see WLAN 0 is now changed our wireless extension, and Modbus to manage. And then after we will type the command service NetworkManager restart, and see it properly that N is in the uppercase. Similarly here is no space between the NetworkManager and M is the uppercase. Okay, so in the case of if any mistake is done, if any letter it is in mistake, then it will not run, it will show the error. So this is the command. Now I have entered it, and you will see here what is happening here. So it has been recovered now. You can see here wired connection means your internet has been appeared here. Okay, thanks for watching this video.